Hi all, today we are going to learn about carbon resistors and their color coding. What do you mean by a carbon resistor or what are carbon resistors? The resistors made up of carbon, resistors made up of carbon or graphite are known as carbon resistors. So it's very simple. The resistors which are made up of carbon or graphite are known as carbon resistors. Now, what are the basic properties of these resistors? You might have seen in your lab these resistors. What are the basic properties of these resistors? They are very small in size. Small in size. Their weight also is very small, very less. Small in size. And something called wattage rating. Wattage rating. Wattage rating is less than 2 watt or maximum or generally maximum 2 watt. Wattage rating. Wattage or rating is less than or equal to 2 watt generally 2 watt. And there's a drawback also for these resistors. There's a what is the drawback is reliability and stability is poor for these resistors. Reliability and stability are poor for these resistors. This means what happens, you can't use it for a longer duration. Then stability means with temperature its values may vary. So now you are going to purchase a resistor from a shop. So what are the two parameters you should know to buy a resistor? To buy a resistor, you should know the value of the resistor, and then something called tolerance. Tolerance, I'll explain to you what is tolerance, and the wattage rating. But we are not going to wattage rating this video. Then next video we'll learn about the wattage rating. So what tolerance means, if you take, see, we want a 100 ohm resistor, and if you buy 10 of the 100 ohm resistors, these all are not going to be 100 ohm in value. Some may be 99 ohm, some may be 95 ohm, depending on the tolerance. Some may be 101 ohm or 100.5 ohm. This is what is the tolerance. If you look at these resistors, the value is indicated using a color band. If you see this resistor, for this particular resistor, the first band is blue, second is red, third is brown, and fourth is the gold. Now we'll see how to find the value of this resistor using this color band. It's a 4-band color coding. This method, this 4-band is a 4-band color coding. 4-band color code, okay? It's a 4-band color coding. 4-band color code. How to read the 4-band color code? To indicate these values, they use these colors: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver. These are the only colors you are going to see in resistor color coding. And now let's see the color code. See, these resistors are these color bands. First two color bands. This is for this you have to just write the digit, whatever the digit corresponding to that number you have to write. That is what here mentioned. First band and the second band. These values you have to just write it. First two bands you have to just write it. So if you take this resistor, brown is the first band and second band is black, third is brown, fourth is the gold. Now first two digits corresponding digits we have to write it. For the brown, what is the corresponding digit? It is 1 here. See, first or second we'll write only the digit. And the third band is the multiplier. So brown is 1, black is 0. What about When brown comes in the third band is what? Third band is a multiplier, so multiply by 10 ohm if it is brown. And what is the tolerance? The fourth band is a tolerance band. If you see here, if it is gold, it is plus or minus 5%. And if it is silver, it is plus or minus 10%. And if it is no color, it is a 20%. Okay, if there is no color, only 3 bands are there, and the fourth color is the tolerance. If there is no color, then it is 20%. So gold is plus or minus 5%. So what is the value? How do you write? So value of 10 are the first two digits. 10 multiplied by 10 ohm plus or minus 5%. So which is equal to, it's a 100 ohm resistor plus or minus 5% tolerance. To remember the value of this color band, there is a short method. Oh, so this guy's name is B.B. Roy. Okay, his name is B.B. Roy. His place is Great Britain. He's British, Great Britain. Okay, he's having a very good wife. Okay, that's why they are hugging and standing. They're having a very good wife. Now we have to remember the sentence: B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. From here, first letter indicates black, second letter indicates brown or red. Now you can read it, you can take it. So see here, this all will increase from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, blue, 7, 8, 9. This is how it is going to increase. Okay, now we will see some examples to make it thorough. Now let's see this resistor. First resistor, we are having the resistor here. You tell me which is the first band. First band is the yellow, right? First band. First, second, third, and fourth. Which is the first band? That is the yellow color. Am I right? Why I am not taking the silver? Because these three colors are together. Tolerance band is usually far away from the other color bands. So first, what is first color? Yellow. What is the second color? That is violet. What is the third color? Brown. What is the fourth band? Silver. Now tell me, what is the corresponding digit for yellow? B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. So yellow corresponds to 4, right? What is the value corresponding to violet? 7. What is the multiplier when it is brown? It is 10 ohm. What is the tolerance for a silver? Plus or minus 10%. Plus or minus 10%. So how do you write it? 47 multiplied by 10 ohm plus or minus 10%, which comes to 470 ohms plus or minus 10% tolerance. This is how you find the value of a resistor. Now let us take the second one. Second one, I'm just right. The first, see, we know the tolerance band is far away from the other bands. So it's a gold. Tolerance is 5%. First color is the red, second color also red, third is the black. How do we write the value of this resistor? That is 2. First 2 digit is the digit are the just digit. First 2 you are just digit only you have to write. Third one is a multiplier. Black. What is the black multiplier? It's a 1 ohm. Plus or minus, what is the tolerance? Gold. That is plus or minus 5%. If you multiply, so it is 22 ohm plus or minus 5%. I think we'll see 1 or 2 values. Okay, we'll take one more color coding. Now you know how to find the tolerance band and the remaining bands for a 4-band color coded resistor. Now first one is yellow. Alright, yellow, violet, orange, and orange and gold. If there is no color, it is 20%. Okay, it is gold. So what is the corresponding digit for yellow? 4. For violet, it is 7. Orange, it is, what is the multiplier when orange is? It is 10 to the power 3 plus or minus 5%. So this is equal to 47 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 plus or minus 5%, which equals what? Which equals to, what is 10 to the power 3 equal to kilo? So we can write it is 47 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. Now, if I ask you to write the color code for 1 ohm resistor, how do you write? A 1 ohm resistor. 1 ohm, write the color code. 1 ohm I have to write. So what is going to be the first color? It's going to be brown. So brown will give me 1. What is going to the second band? It has to be black. So black will be equal to 0. Now I need only 1 ohm. So what is going to be my multiplier? Third band multiplier. Multiplier has to be 0.1. So what color gives the multiplier 0.1? It is gold. Gold gives the 0.1 as a multiplier, 0.1 ohm. If no color, I want no color. No color means it is 20% tolerance. Now what is the value of this resistor? 10 multiplied by 0.1 ohm plus or minus 20%, which equals 1 ohm plus or minus 20%. So this was the quick introduction to the color coding and carbon resistors. So thanks for watching. Please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.